Hey guys, welcome. I'm LaFay with Vintage Retail Therapy, and I'm in Fallbrook, California, San Diego County. I can't wait to share the project we're gonna do. So I took this little dingy hat that was like, seriously, I would have never worn again, and I can't wait to show you how easy it is to transform it into one-of-a-kind art. So I can't wait for you to see this project from start to finish. It's pretty cool. And we're using DIY liquid patina, which those of you who know me, what do I call it? Let me hear it in the comments. The secret sauce. Check out this project. So your napkins come in 3-ply. Sometimes this is a little bit tricky because you don't actually see that third one, but I promise you it's in there. Make sure you're only working with one. Grab your liquid patina. I like to keep it in a small cup just because I can get to it easy. And you want to put a generous amount on there. You want it to soak into your fibers, but you don't want it to be like sloppy wet because you don't want to wrinkle up your napkin that's going on top of that. I work in smaller sections and make sure that I have it saturated before I move on to the next section. Next, gently smooth your napkin over the area where you've applied the patina. Lightly press over it and use the tip of a fine paintbrush dipped in water and kind of hold it as a guide and just trim off the excess right there at the seam. The irregular cut helps the fibers mesh with the tissue. Now I've chosen to add another napkin to the other side. Don't you just love Frida? Where are my Frida fans out there? This was one of my favorite napkins. I'm using my water with a brush, almost like a knife, and it's just cutting right through that napkin. Like just go along the edges. Again, we're wanting the irregular edge. Add your liquid patina just like we did on the last section. And repeat the process. Add a light coat of liquid patina over your napkin. It may seem like it's going to wrinkle, but don't freak out. It'll all smooth out in the end, I promise. Do a light coat first. Once it dries, you can go in with a heavier coat. Oh my gosh, check it out. It made Frida's eyes blue. I love that. So for this section, I wanted to cover up the white Hurley letters. Oh, I painted it in a color close to the cap. And again, I'm just repeating the process. I'm using a little of the pattern from the opposite side to fill in at the bottom. And basically it's kind of like putting a puzzle together. Tell me in the comments who wants to try this. So I'm just using a tiny scissor. Actually, I think I got it at the dollar store. You know I love me some dollar store. And I'm just trimming the edges carefully and then just adding another light coat to adhere it. But don't you think we need to do something to that other corner? We need to cover up those ugly stains. Wait till you see what we're going to put over there. You knew we had to do the other corner. Wait till you see what we're going to put here. You know I love me some florals. So we're adding in a third pattern. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? I'm just trimming up the edges and staying in within the seams that are on the hat. So I'm kind of using that as my pattern, as a guide, if you will. And yep, in case you're wondering, you can layer your decoupage tissues over each other. So you can see here how we've added these purple roses. And I'm just cutting into the corner just a little bit as it's going around the curve so that it lays a little bit flat to the hat. Tell me your thoughts. I really love how the patterns they're all so different, but yet they play really nice together. And check out Frida's blue eyes. I love it. You made it to the end of the video. Great job, you guys. Look at my hat. Look how adorable it is. So I've also done this process with a little bit of a twist on some of my shoes. So if you're my kind of crazy and you haven't already, come and follow me on my YouTube channel, Vintage Retail Therapy by Mara, and you'll see this really cool project. And again, there's a few little tips and tricks, but look how cute, you guys. So my newest video is already up on there, and you can see how we did these sneakers. They're awesome. Check it out. And until then, I will see you next month with a new video.